Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how to pair Bluetooth earphone to our Redmi phone device. Guys, you want to pair this earphone to your phone, so you can pair guys. And guys, now let's see how to pair Bluetooth earphones to your phone guys. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to pair it. Then guys scroll and guys you can see your Bluetooth. So guys tap here, guys on your Bluetooth, guys on your earphones. So we will on it, and guys you can see refresh. So I refresh here. So guys you can see your earphone name. So guys click on earphone name, and guys you can see it's pairing. Then guys you can see this pair notification. So guys you want to pair, so guys click on pair. So it will pair in your phone. Then guys you can use your earphone while watching movies, listening song, cartoons, whatever you want. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Bluetooth earphone to our Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.